right where the wet part of your mouth meets your lips. That's where like that dead skin tends to like, build up. It makes almost like a little rim. If you're putting something like this on every single day, you don't get that. And I don't want people to mistakenly think like this should burn. We talk about it can tingle. This is not supposed to be irritating. This is supposed to be an everyday product. You can use this twice a day. Some people use it more. Some people use it less.
All right, so today we are launching a couple new flavors for our Peel and Heal line.
Yes.
Exciting times. I see a couple new boxes here. Do you want to dive in and tell us which one's your favorite or talk about both of them?
Yeah, well, obviously this is our lips peel and heal kit.
Yes.
So for anybody that has, chapped lips, like prolonged chapped lips or just dry lips, constantly having dead skin coming off and rolling things. Like this is super because this has acids in it. It has like 2% of a polyhydroxy acid, 2% mandelic acid. So there's like 4% acids. It's meant to be gentle. You can use it a couple times per day. And there's also enzymes in here. So the combination of the acid and the enzymes are going to help to dissolve the dead skin that's giving you chapped lips and things like that. So that's the peel portion.
Right.
And then we have the heal portion, which is just full of, essential oils and butters and everything to keep your skin, your lips skin comfortable and moisturized without feeling like greasy.
Yeah.
And, I want to address that too, because sometimes people are like, well, I don't feel like something's on my lips anymore.
Yeah.
But it's like, it's not meant to be a big, thick, greasy glob on your lips.
Yeah,
it's meant to be
it's not
like
gloss, it's a treatment.
It's not. It's meant to be like a nice and moisturizing. And I feel like even after it like soaks in and there's maybe like just a fine layer.
Sure.
But it feels like my lips feel good. They don't feel dry. They don't feel sticky. I don't feel like something's going to get stuck on me. I feel comfortable. So I guess that's like, what you get from this. And we already have a couple of delicious flavors. We have the root beer peel and cola heal, which is my favorite. And then we also have the watermelon peel and tropical heal.
Yeah, we sell a lot of that one.
We do. I think that's a favorite.
That one is.
And we had a little, I don't want to call it a contest, but we did a vote.
Yes.
And I put a bunch of combinations and I put it in our Platinum Skincare Guru group on Facebook a few months back, many months back, and allowed people to vote. And they overwhelmingly voted for the chocolate and the peppermint.
Got it.
So what we did is we turned this into our hot chocolate and peppermint heal. And I absolutely love the artwork.
The packaging
of this
is
one.
so pretty.
It is so darn cute. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest thing
Adorable.
ever. And the other flavor
Drum roll,
slash
please.
non-flavor is our plain Jane. And this has no flavor.
Right.
No, there's nothing added at all to this. It is the peel. It is the heal. There is no flavoring.
Got it.
And I do want to, I guess, just kind of say, some people mistakenly think it's like a fragrance. It's not a fragrance.
Right.
Like what we're using are edible flavors. Yes,
Got
you
it.
smell them, but it's not like perfume. It's not just a fragrance oil. It's not like that. This is like edible, So I just want to make sure, like, even if you are concerned with that, of course you can get the unflavored version. But either way, we still don't want you licking this all. I mean, there's acid in here. There's enzymes in here. Your goal is not to lick it off, but if you do lick it, obviously it's going to taste, this one's going to taste good.
Yeah.
This one's going to taste all right.
Yeah, not so fab.
I'm not going to say it's going to taste great. It tastes a little, I have licked quite a good amount of this.
Yes.
I will say, that's where my tongue goes numb.
We have
This
tested it.
conversation is going in. Terrible.
I'm just saying, literally, it is true. When she's in the testing phase, like she calls me into the lab and, we have our little toothpicks that we're dipping in there and putting it on. Oh, I like it. Oh, no,
I like it.
Yeah,
I
it's
like it. I like it.
ridiculous, but it's how we do things, and we come up with these amazing flavors.
All
I
the
guess,
amazing
right?
flavors. Right. So
Fun.
here is, if you are one of those that has been begging me to do an unflavored version, here is our plain Jane. You're going to love
Her. So cute.
And just cute. It's got like flavor. No flavor. Crossed off.
I love it.
You know, it's just the cutest. We kind of just went with like a real fun packaging. Same thing. Wherever you see flavor, there's an X and it's crossed out. No flavor. And since if you see any of our original videos, we had both of them.
Yes.
With the
doe foot applicator.
Now it's just the heel with the doe foot applicator. And the peel has the roller ball, which I really love. Nice. It goes on so nicely.
Yeah, I like that.
So everything has been transferred into these. So, yeah,
Lovely.
These are darling.
Yeah, there's nothing more annoying than when you put lipstick on and you can see it kind of like if you have dry skin and then your lipstick doesn't look fabulous. This product is going to help get all that dead skin off and just help your lipstick and your lip gloss go on so nicely.
Stay nice and smooth.
It really does. Yeah.
Because that's what happens. And I think I probably mentioned this when we launched these originally. But, you know, right where the wet part of your mouth meets your lips, that's where, like, that dead skin tends to, like, you know, build up. It makes almost like a little rim. And you just, if you're putting something like this on every single day, this is, like, so darling. You don't get that.
No.
Because it just, and I don't want people to mistakenly think, like, this should burn. Yeah, we talk about it can tingle.
Yeah.
And maybe the first time I put it on, I felt a little slight tingle, but it doesn't have to tingle. I don't want, this is not supposed to be irritating. This is supposed to be an everyday product. You can use this twice a day. Some people use it more. Some people use it less.
Let's talk about, like, when you're doing your skincare regimen in the morning.
Yeah.
Where do you fit this in your regimen? Do you do one first and then wait and do the other one? Or
you know
what's
what I do?
Your process?
I always, you know, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and then I put the peel on, and then I hop in the shower.
Got it.
And I'm not sticking my face in the water because I've already washed it. If I wash my hair that day, I don't put it on because it was going to rinse off. But that's what I like to do. And then my peel stays on my lips a little bit longer, probably like somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes. Because on our original packaging, we said, 30 seconds or so, then put your heel on. And then I had some people think, well, I don't know, like I'm not getting the action I want. I'm like, okay, leave it on a little bit longer. This is what I do. And that's kind of how we change our directions. And, on occasion, we'll like update the directions. So now I'm like, leave it on at least 30 seconds, but you can leave it on, 10 minutes, 15 minutes if you want before you put the heel on. I think you might get a little bit more action that way. But that's what I like to do.
Either way is okay.
Either way is okay. At least 30 seconds or so.
Yeah.
Before you put the heel on, because the heel's almost kind of neutralizing it a little bit, you know. So if you want more action, then leave it on a longer time frame.
Excellent.
I think that's one of the things that should be clarified for sure is that this isn't a TCA peel.
Right.
No.
This isn't something that is gonna remove pigmentation at a deep level. That's
right.
No. This is a dry skin fix. It's like what your expectations are for it. I think should change how you perceive this product.
Absolutely.
Yes, this is meant to be everyday maintenance.
Correct.
This is not a chemical peel.
Right.
This is daily maintenance.
Yes.
We're using these gentle, like a polyhydroxy acid. Okay, Mandelic is already super, super mild, right? And then we also have a polyhydroxy in here, which is like even a milder acid. It's a more moisturizing acid. That's still very gentle with the acids than the enzymes in here.
Sure.
But so if you're using this every day, though, you are going to feel your lips just feel smoother. Now, if you don't have chapped lips and you don't have problems like this, you might not need this. Right? Or use it once a week, twice a week, a few times a week. Not everybody needs it multiple times a day.
Very true.
And, some people do.
Yeah.
Some people do need it multiple times a day. They need to leave the peel on longer to give it more activity.
Got it.
And then other people, you just need this, as needed.
Any issues?
I don't use it every day anymore. I did use it every day for a while, but twice a day for sure. Now I've kind of cut back a little bit because I feel like I don't need it. But I do use it every couple of days.
Yes.
Then I'll put it on and then I'll use it, morning, night for a couple of days in a row. And then I'll stop for a little bit and then I'll use it again just to keep it going. But
Absolutely.
I don't seem to have the troubles that I always
Yeah,
had
I
before.
used mine more at like in the fall and beginning of winter, like when you're going through that rough stage here in Michigan where you have the furnace on and your
It's so
lips are
dry.
just so dry and everything. But yeah, I still use mine a couple of times a week. I have the watermelon and tropical, and I also have the root beer
I have them
and
both.
cola. I kind of alternate. They're all so good.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to trying these ones.
Yeah, this one smells delicious.
So my wife uses it and
Yeah.
loves it.
Yeah.
And she basically cornered me today. Are you going to platinum? I go, yes. And she's like, give me a peel and heal. I am out. It's been like 2 days. I can't even go another day.
We love
Because,
Rachel.
it's one of those things where even on this review, I was looking at the first image on the page, like
Yes.
right below the product. Mm-hmm. She was dealing with, like more of like Michigan dryness.
Yeah.
Obviously, like an icy locale, she said, but she only uses it once every 3 days. It took a little bit of trial and error for her to figure out.
Of course.
And I think that's just interesting because Rachel, my wife, uses it every day
Yeah.
and swears by it.
Right.
Like,
Oh, yeah.
She would always get that edge of her lip, right?
Yeah,
Where it's that
that's what I was
dryness,
saying.
Right at that, you almost want to bite it.
Yeah. Oh
And
gosh.
she
Yes.
said, I have none of that now.
Oh, that's nice.
And I think this one too, this other review, it's a little further down. where
Lots of
she's-
reviews.
Yeah.
Yeah, she says, I use it at least twice a day, and believe me, the lipstick has never been smoother on my lips.
See,
Yeah.
see, that's what I noticed.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
There's some good
agree.
images here, just people loving it, but I thought that.
I felt
that
when I
was
very
interesting.
first started using it, I had a little bit of a plumping effect because my lips
We've
were
heard that.
so dehydrated, and I didn't even realize how much I needed this product until I started using it.
Yeah, we that's definitely something that we see, and there's not an ingredient in here to cause plumping of your lips or anything
Right.
like that.
Yeah.
But I mean, there is the absolute possibility
Sure,
of
yeah.
when things are exfoliated, water and
And the
products
heel
are
is very hydrating.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. It's going to hold water
Yeah.
better. Your skin holds water better when it's exfoliated.
Sure.
So the peel is going to help with that. And you're not rinsing this off. So, of course, there's some water in the peel. So you
Yeah.
do have water on your skin. Then you're sealing it in with heel.
Yeah, that's
and
nice.
some people have said it's very thin, kind of like what I wanted to go over in the beginning here. It's not meant to be like a thick, heavy ointment
Sure.
on your lips. It doesn't need to be that. We're not doing a TCA peel on our
Yeah.
lips. This is just meant to give you like the little slip to your surface,
Yeah.
and it just keeps you hydrated. And I feel like even when it dries, you can still kind of feel a
Yeah.
little bit. If you're trying to like rub your lips together, you can feel something's there, but it's not, like I said, it's not, you're not gonna pick up your cat and kiss it and get like fur stuck on your face. It's
Sure.
not lip gloss.
Right.
It's a nice moisturizer.
And anyone can use this. Doesn't matter if you have light skin on your lips, dark
No.
skin on your lips. Okay.
See, okay, these smell so good. So this is like the peppermint one, and it is sweetened, right? So
Yes.
it's sweetened with monk fruit only, which is
Okay.
a plant-based
Sure.
sweetener,
Yes.
100% natural. And so this is, oh gosh, it's just peppermint. Now I will say,
Let me smell.
you get
Look.
a hint. You get a hint of, the peppermint, because that's
yeah.
real peppermint oil in there. So you do feel it a little
I
tiny
remember
little
when
bit
we
on your lips.
tested this one. I remember feeling like the cooling
For a
sensation.
couple of,
Yes.
maybe 30 seconds or
Yes.
so, then it goes away.
Fabulous.
And then this one, obviously, this is kind of like to be like hot chocolate. It's like chocolate with a little bit of marshmallow in it.
Yeah.
Like that's on the box with the chocolate and the marshmallows. Everybody likes to put the
Yummy.
marshmallows melting in there.
I love that.
I'm going to use it on my hand.
There you go. Definitely
Do a little
chocolatey.
light peel on my hand there.
There you go.
Yeah, but these are awesome, and I'm excited to add a couple more flavors.
Yes.
So
we're
we've got
working
the
on a
hot
few new
chocolate and
ones.
peppermint just in time for spring. That's what my husband said. He's
Well,
like,
it's a
you're introducing
process.
this. I'm like, well, you know what? It took a little longer to get this out than I anticipated.
Right.
And well, it'll be great once Christmas and stuff comes around. Like,
Of
what
course.
perfect gifts and stuff for people. I think these make the greatest gifts. Because like if you think about it. You could get this for anybody. You can get
Sure.
this for a teenager. You get
Yes,
this for your
fun.
mother-in-law. You can get it for your grandma. You
That's
can
nice.
and the packaging is cute.
It's adorable.
everything about it is cute. It is safe for anybody to use. I just think it's like a perfect gift, and it's like a perfect price.
Right, that is a perfect gift, and it is an affordable price.
It is.
Very nice, very nice. Do we have
What
any
else?
other reviews
Do you
that we
wanna
want
look at
to
any more?
review or to look
This
at?
one's interesting too. I mean, I've suffered from chapped lips my whole life. I drink so much water every day. It's not a hydration issue. I've tried everything. And this is pretty standard for a lot of the reviews.
Yep.
Balms, scrubs, ointments, masks, everything until now. You know, I started using this. I haven't had any dry skin on my lips. I absolutely in love with it. Thank you for another wonderful product.
Yep.
So, I mean, if you look at the reviews at the end of the page, it's pretty much the same thing. Or, you know, I think some people, if anyone's had issues with it, it seems like maybe they should have taken their time using it a little slower. It was like the first review I showed where she's using it every 3 days. What if you are sensitive to it and you can't use it every day, where some people can use it twice a day and they're fine.
Yeah, it's better to start slow and work your way up than start too aggressive and then have an adverse reaction or over dryness at first. But then you'll work through that as you go.
Well, and that's where kind of like acids and enzymes hold hands. You know, acids dissolve the bonds, you know, that hold the dead skin. Okay, so that's working one way, but now you've got the enzymes that are working a complete different way because the enzymes actually dissolve the dead skin.
Right.
So you're like, we're dissolving bonds and we're dissolving skin, and we're just getting all that off. And it's like a really good combination. And I think people are going to get good results with
One
that.
thing I just thought of, so it would probably be good if they're wearing a lip SPF as well, like during the summertime.
I think that would be very
And
smart.
we do sell one. I don't know if we have one here, but it's made by Coats, and
Yes, it's SPF 40.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
I think that's very smart because if you are exfoliating your skin, obviously SPF is important.
Sure.
So this is like, you know, your morning and evening regimen. That doesn't mean you can't put SPF on top of that.
Sure.
And that's normal, and that's what
Yeah.
you do. You put all your skincare products on, then you put your SPF on last. Same thing with your lips. You've done your peel, you've done your heel, everything's gonna like soak in. Now, you know, before you walk out of the bathroom or whatever you're doing, go ahead and put your SPF on. And I really do love that Coats.
It is
That's a
nice.
great one. So I would say it's super important if you're going to be spending time outside.
Yeah, if you're
you know,
outside running or jogging or gardening.
on the boat,
or
you're swimming in the pool
yeah,
with the
for
kids
sure.
or something like that.
Yeah.
I think it's important.
Perfect.
And I did want to mention one other thing. Like, okay, so this is super for keeping, you know, everything looking good every single day.
Yeah.
There are always going to be people that have a little bit more aggressive issues.
Sure.
So, I mean, I would consider this like a maintenance product.
Yes.
You know, so if you really have a lot going on, or you have a lot of pigmentation on your lips, or excessive chapped lips, things like that, where it's not like cracked and bleeding because you wouldn't want to put a peel on there, but we have a step up. You know, you could do, like we've talked about, we have a video on how to do like the lactic peel on your lips.
Yeah,
That's something that you could do once or twice a month. And I think if you're having excessive problems, you might need to do something like that to get more dead skin off.
Sure.
Then you can bump over to this, and then this will keep everything smooth.
This will be your maintenance in between.
This is
those.
your like every day, and then you can do a peel if you need to. And I just wanted to mention that because there's some people it didn't work, you know, because they had such excessive problems.
Yeah, they may need to
This
start
is
with
for like
something more.
normal, dry, lightly chapped, you know, seasonal issues. But if you have real problems, then go ahead and do like a lactic 50 peel. I think that's a great option. But then go right back to this.
I agree.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@platinumskincare.com.
Or visit us on Facebook.
There you go.
Platinum Skincare Gurus.
And our phone number is 1-800-917-3155.